Welcome to Wise Beyond Bitcoin, where we cover the crypto neo news, education, and opportunities. My name is Lucas, and this is the video to walk you through Secret Swap. If you are ready to brave the privacy first, privacy smart contract blockchain, and the only one of its kind. You've heard a lot about it, maybe for NFTs in the press with Tarantino NFTs. And there is a lot more development going on beyond that. This is where you can go to figure it all out. There's clean playlists. If you're brand new to Secret, which Kepler IBC is a little bit different than MetaMask and the EVM protocols. So there is a how to start Secret crypto journey for beginners and veterans alike. Walks you through wallet, receiving, staking. We've got Secret NFT news to talk about a lot of the different, very, very innovative things can be done with Secret NFTs that cannot be done on other blockchains. So we walk you through different happenings there. We do the Wise Beyond Bitcoin macro outlook for that overall economic macro view at what's happening in the traditional markets, as well as their correlation connection to what's happening in crypto and blockchain. And of course, there's so much happening with Secret that we just have to do a crypto secrets revealed, where we just go into all the protocols that are happening and what's launching and the incentives. Validators too. Once you have your wallet and you've watched that video, you're going to want to secure the network and participate and earn those rewards for staking in a proof of stake network blockchain. And we have got a playlist that starts to go into learning about the different validators that are on the network and the rewards, the opportunities that actually come from picking specific validators. And I also mentioned that this is educational, entertainment information. I'm not a financial advisor. Go ask your financial advisor what's a Kepler wallet and what's an AMM DEX, where you provide liquidity and get tokens and earn a fee reward for the transactions that take place. And they're going to look at you cross-site. All right. So this is just experimental, educational information. None of this is commercial, legal, marital advice. It is just research, right? And sharing my understanding as I understand it. Some things I don't see, so absolutely drop it in the comments and share other things happening so that we can all grow in our knowledge together. And now let's grow in it with Secret Swap. So Secret Swap is the premier original AMM DEX. There's another, also, I would say close to being original, OG on the Secret network called Sienna, and I will do a video walking you through that as well. That being said, they're very similar. So once you understand how one of them works, you can very easily figure out how to navigate the other. What's unique about Secret, because it's a privacy focused blockchain, is that there are times when you will go to check a balance and you won't see it. It doesn't mean it's not there. It just means that you actually have to sign a contract to click to view. And if you've watched the video and seen how that works with the NFTs, it's very similar to that. You have an NFT, but you have to open a ticket to ask permission to view on the network before you can see it. And that's the same thing here. Just because you don't see the balance doesn't mean it's not there. We'll start with Earn. I had it on Swap because this is the user interface that most people would see. And this is where you'll go to swap between Secret and look, a whole bunch of different, there are a lot of different cryptos that are available at the moment. Stable coins, there's Chainlink, Decentraland, Mana. There's also the IBC of Osmosis and Luna, and there's Sienna, Sushi. So there's a lot, but it's still young, emerging, and the liquidity, you're still early. If you're watching this, figuring this out, you're still early, and I'll show you why. So before you can provide liquidity, obviously here's the liquidity pools, but you have to have a 50, you provide an equal amount of both tokens that you're providing liquidity for, unless you're doing the single-sided staking of the SEFI token. And most DEXs have single-sided staking of whatever their native token is. All right, let's open up. Now this is going to show, but if you were to open this up and not see here anything, there would be an option to open the ticket or to view. It would say to view balance. and you'd click it and your Kepler wallet would interact. So that's just to remind you not to worry if you open and you see 00. It just means that you haven't connected your wallet yet. All right, well, let's go through a process where we claim. Oh, wow. Okay. I didn't know that was necessary. Let's go back. And what we will do, so what's one of the neat things about blockchain and cryptocurrency when you do your own research to be your own bank. Oh, there it goes. That was quick. And now you can see it's available over here. All right, $5 and $157 for $5. And I'm trying to think the last time it may have been a month. I might say it's been a month. So it would say about 3%, 3% a month, a little over 3%, 3% in 1 month. Well, that's 30%, 36% annual a year. Not bad. Now, of course, you can't guarantee what the rates fluctuate. That being, however, look, we're early in secret, and there is a lot of more, I feel, momentum as more people understand blockchain technology and the need for privacy. I feel that a lot of liquidity and a lot more people from other DAOs and protocols will be interested to bring momentum and energy over here, right? I could see the Frog Nation and other movements bringing liquidity to a protocol that protects from front running and privacy. So we can see into the future with that possibility, right? You see clouds, it might rain, kind of a thing. So there we go. We claimed. Now it still says that's there in the world of crypto. You know, if there's a problem, refresh the page, clear the cache if you need to. But let's in this case, we can probably just refresh the page, and it will be gone. There you go. And it's already started because it's all done through smart contracts. It's automatically just accruing away. Now what we do, 100%. I want to stake 100%, and just, this is what I was going to say earlier, is you have the ability to compound your returns. You get to interact with what you receive however regular you'd like to. It depends upon how much you have, because it costs a few cents. It costs a little bit to do a transaction, which is a lot less than if you're someone who's been around and working with crypto for a while, and you have a sour taste in your mouth from Ethereum at the moment because of how high the gas fees are until the proof of stake launches and sharding and all that good stuff. You'll be very pleasantly surprised and happy to work with the IBC when you work with Secret Network or Osmosis. Especially, we have a video on that, which is a great resource to acquire Secret too, if you are just exchanging around the digital asset world. Okay, now failed to deposit, timed out. Well, those things happen too. We can click it again. And just for 33 cents, I'll pay an extra 6 cents if that helps get this transaction through. Let's see if that works. And while doing that, no, I don't want to double claim. So we'll wait for that for a moment. This is real time, no editing. There you go. It just took a few extra pennies to get that through, staked. And we've added to it. You can see the balance is increased right there. It's that quick. Very cool. Now, to walk you through another example, let's go to the secret finance pool, 52x multiplier. All right. 666.218 secret finance. Oh, look, that's the number of the, what is it? The carbon atom, 6 protons, 6 neutrons, 6 electrons. Is that right? Carbon, all carbon life is based in 666. Science. Okay. All right. So now what we do is we click claim. We've learned our lesson. I'm going to go pay an extra few pennies up front. I'm recording this. I don't edit these things. I don't want to sit here and do this 10 times just to save a few pennies. Oh, there you go. Boom. That was done. Okay. So now what I want to do, because this is a secret finance and SRAP secret pool, and I just claimed it, and I want to compound. I want to continue adding to the pool so other people can enjoy it and grow the liquidity. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come over to swap, and then I'm going to come over to secret finance. Oh, look, my tokens appeared. Now, if you'd like to provide liquidity, then you need to provide half and half. So what I'm going to do is say 333 is what I would like to break down. All right, swap. And we've learned our lesson. $1.71. And here we go. Oh, it's moving, it's thinking, it's routing through wrapped Monero. It's going through the it's going through the butt, through, I mean, come on. I need to look into that. I'm not familiar with the butt token. I feel like I should be, but I'm not. I see that mushroom and it makes me think there's some kind of, I remember that mushroom and I should know about that, but I don't. There's wrapped Bitcoin, and then we have it, boom, boom, boom. It's done. It's been swapped. So now we're going to come over to pool. Click, click. Now we're going to come over to pool, and we're going to say, select a token, SEFI. Max the SEFI, all of it. Provide. Give it a moment. Hopefully 31 cents. Hopefully your computer doesn't throw you off the screen every single time. It's thinking, it's doing its thing. So we've claimed, you see how easy it is claiming rewards from the liquidity pools, the single side staking, and from, there you go, and that's been provided. So now we just provided and how to swap and how to provide liquidity. But let's go even further. Let's go back. We already compounded the returns here, which, by the way, when you compound your returns, I said 30% a year, you can do the math there. The returns are higher when you take that 30% and you are compounding it. And just imagine the future. The smart contract platform is yet to have those auto compounders that you have. There's a lot of protocols, projects that have been built on the EVM chains, experimenting, showing what can be done with DeFi, pardon me, that still have yet to be built out on secret and that are coming. So it's exciting. That shows you how early and the opportunities are. And if you support the idea of this area of decentralized finance, of privacy in the blockchain being a human right, then you have a part of history, of technology that you can support and be a part of. Okay, there we go. And we are scroll down to the secret SEFI pool. And we'll see, look, the new tokens have popped up. We will do 100%. Earn. And if you like this, put a little L in front of that, because that means you learned. And you have to learn to earn. And every time you learn, you do earn. Really, that's really what learning is all about. Learning is earning. Oh, I'm on the wrong tab. Got sidetracked. It's the most valuable. It's the riches that moth and thief cannot corrupt is up there, right? Knowledge. And we staked it. We put it in the contract. It's increased. It's there, and it's now doing its thing. Okay, I feel that should cover. There is a cashback that is coming back. We made adjustments to secret swap, and some functionality is not available at the moment. Sorry for the inconvenience, but for the work that you do, you earn cash back that you can trade for SEFI, and it deals with your interaction with the protocol. So it's pretty neat. Okay. Total cash back received. SEFI earned from cashback 0 because I haven't claimed it yet, but it'll come along. And of course, what you do is there is governance to participate in governance. It's a fun thing. Get involved. It's rewarding. You learn. And who knows, whatever you do, you bring something to the table. We all do. And there might be something that you see that you can add value to at the right time. Until the next time. Well, I guess that's about it. You know what to do if you like this. If you're a whale and you're like, man, I've been waiting to figure out how to do this secret swap thing. You know what to do. Take a little dippy down below and give a tippy if you know. I've got that secret swap address for you, and we can all rise up together. Thank you for supporting this channel with sharing the information, like, subscribing, all that good stuff. Until the next time, have a beautiful day, and namaste, y'all.